In the comments below, I want you to tell me, was that pass or that jump right there dirty? Now, if you watch it in slow-mo, as you're going to right here, you can see Hunter's coming up behind him. As the jump goes, Nate Thrasher looks back, and he's already jumping. You gotta say, yes, he is already jumping, but the guy in front of him jumps from the far left to the middle, and Nate Thrasher jumps from the far left to the absolute far right, even cases the jump, and takes Hunter out. Now, this is preceded by that right there. The whole night, you gotta say, Nate Thrasher raced him very hard. And whether it's Hunter being smart and not taking him out, or not racing as hard and going for, block passes and potentially taking them both out, you have to say Hunter raced him pretty clean. Now, none of those were big, heavy hits, malicious, whatever. But when you're cross jumping and over under that far, and you are looking back and you can see your main competitor, the guy who you've already hit once, right there, it does look a little suspect that he is one cross jumping the whole over under. While if you're completely by yourself, fine, maybe, whatever. But when you know that your competitor is right there and you're looking at him as you're jumping, going off the face of the jump, it's pretty bad. And there were some funny things that apparently Jet Lawrence said that it was a stupid move, and people were bringing up the whole thing from him and Austin Faulkner a few years where he got out. I don't think he did intentionally. I'm pretty sure he cross-routed and jumped across, and Faulkner got injured. But people were ripping him because he was calling somebody stupid for doing it, and he did it himself. Whatever. But in the comments below, I want to hear from you. One, how do you think that was? Obviously, I'm not going to say it was intentional, like, oh, I'm going to take him out and crash him, whatever. I do think it was stupid, and I do think it was reckless. You have to know that somebody, like, you can hear that guy right there, and he's looking at him coming off the jump to cross jump that far. And obviously, like I said before, preceded by the guy who jumped from the same spot on the far left to the middle. He didn't cut the whole over under. So I want to hear from you. In the comments below, you tell me. Dirty, just racing hard, he knows he's behind and he's got to get in Hunter's head and he's racing him hard to do that, or whatever it is. How did you like the Triple Crown? Are you a fan of it? Whatever you want to do, comment down below. As you're doing that, make sure to like, share, subscribe to all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because playing the YouTube algorithm game, it really helps me, and with that, I appreciate it. I'll see y'all later. Peace.